So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to remove the background of an image here on Fotor. So once Fotor's opened up, I'm going to go ahead and select a photo in which I might want to remove the background to. So for example, I'll use the example, what would be a good one here? Mm, how about this person right? How about this salad right here? So if I wanted to remove this gray background and make it transparent, simply go ahead and press on the photo right here. Go to where it says BG Remover or Background Remover and press on that. Now, you can go ahead and smart portrait cutout or remove the background completely. So if you wanted to go to remove background completely right here, it's going to go ahead and show you an example. So as you can tell, that's what it would be right there. So this way, if you were to go ahead and change your background to blue, as you can tell, the background has been removed. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can remove the background of an image on a photo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.